we have given that the area of rectangle is 48 square centimeters and its perimeter is 32 centimeters. Find the length and width of the rectangle. So let me remind you, rectangle has the same sides which are opposite. So this is our width and this is our length. They are the same. And what else? We know that the area of rectangle is length times width, and the perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus 2W, because the perimeter is the distance around our figure. So we have two sides L and two sides W. And what we have given, that area is 48 and perimeter is 32. So we can substitute A by 48. This is equal LW. And we have that perimeter is 32. This is 2L plus 2W. We have two equations, two unknowns. So let's first copy the first equation. We have 48 equals L times W, and in the second equation we can factorize 2 on the right side. So we have 32 is equal to 2 times L plus W. Now we can divide in the second equation both sides by 2. So we will have 32 divided by 2 is 16. And on the right side, 2 will reduce. Let me do this here. 2 and 2 will reduce. And we have that 16 is equal L plus W. So we can find L or W from this equation and substitute to the first equation. Let's move W to the left side. So we will have that 16 minus W is equal L. We can rewrite this, that L is equal 16 minus W. So now we will substitute L by 16 minus W. So we have 48 is equal 16 minus W times W. So we have to do multiplication on the right side. We have 48 is equal 16W minus W square. So we got quadratic equation. We will move right side to the left side. So we have, now will be positive W square minus 16W plus 48, this is equal 0. We have quadratic equation. We have to find two numbers which multiply by each other give me 48, and when I add them I will have negative 16. It will be negative 12 and negative 4. So we have W minus 12 times W minus 4 is equal 0. So we have that W is equal 12 and W is equal 4. We got two solutions. So now we have to come back to our L. L will be equal 4. W equals 12. We will have that L is equal 16 minus 12, so this is 4. And for W equals 4, we will have L is equal 16 minus 4, so this is equal 12. We got two solutions. When width is 12 Of course, we have to add centimeters because we have given area in square centimeters and perimeter is 32 centimeters. So the width will be 12 centimeters and then the length is 4 centimeters, and when width is 4 centimeters, the length is 12 centimeters. This is my solution.